Ka Christian Academy hakas ngipalay ka arpolay terik jeliu arajar arpoar. Kala Pynkup burom miki samla ki balapa sa ke eksamen SSLC bat HSSLC arajar arpoar. Barang supun penasian daka Meklia Board of School Education ne ke embus. Ia kene ke jing Pynkup burom balapan long ha State Central Library. Ladan lang ka Profesor Kong Tike Karbamon, kabaderu ka Vice Chancellor juga Martin Luther Christian Academy kum ka Kongsan. Ha ka jingdan lang ka Principal ka Kong Fidalin W. Khany, Presiden ka Managing Committee Ba Chewan Star Karkrang, Vice Principal Kong Ramona Lengdo, Upastor Isyan Boklang Rentatiang, Kinohikai, Nosyakos Nguba, Kikmikikpa, Bat Kikana School. La samru iki kusnam shimet bakentup, ika kusnam batbitam haki jinglekai, ka kusnam nakamta ki samla pule kibadon ka jinglong ga babha, bat kiwi ki kusnam. Habakran kum ka Kongsan, ka Kong Tike Karbamon kalai kublei batkit bokir riang, iki samla pule balapa saki kardan bapher, batkentu bakinang treshitom, bat minathop haki jing pule jumki ki badangsa. Kalai kublei ru iki nohikai, kibal ai ka jinghikai ka babiang tam, bat kumjuru iki kimikikpa, kibala kershan ban pak school, ban penang penstat ila ki jongki kun. La pensyongkun ru akan kasngi da ki jing ruai.
Trained and committed faculty. Over the years, Christian Academy has indeed achieved its mission through the testimony of the many students who have passed from this institution by developing character leadership with an education that is both spiritual and academic. The students testify of the commitment and dedication of the management, the principal, the faculty, and all those who have been the props to the institution. Graduates, it is my great pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your degrees. I know your climb up the level was met with challenges unimaginable, undreamt of. The COVID-19 pandemic, which will be recorded in the history of each one of our lives and in our state and the world over. But this experience tested your resolve, your potential, and your capacities to the limit. With God's gracious mercies and your resilience, you have scaled up the ladder to be where you are today. Now as you stand at the peak, horizons of opportunity stretch out before you. Today you are at the entry of another journey in your life. The future, as the graduate had said, is mysterious, is unknown. It's exciting, it's challenging and daunting. Well, you do not know what the future holds, but with God at the vessel, you can rest assured that the future will go well with you. With the education you have received, there is no doubt that you will positively impact thousands of lives over the course of your journey. Have confidence in your talent. Your determination and the quality of the education you have received, the ideals and the values you have been taught in school will always be your guide. But let me offer you some snippets of advice. Certainly, the world beyond the school is attractive, it's alluring, but it can also be deceptive. Listen to your heart, and also seek advice and counsel before making a choice, decisions in your life. Be discreet, be resolute before making a decision. But do not ever shrink from a challenge. The readiness to tackle challenges is what makes you a leader. It defines your personalities and your identities. The talents you have will certainly maximize your future success in society the community, the country, and the world. But in the process, remember to also be humble in your attitudes towards your parents and your teachers. Remember, my dear graduates, you are here today because of them, both parents and teachers.